Good morning, Greg. This is the Dave Ross Show, early edition. The president has finally decided to deliver on his most famous broken campaign promise to negotiate health care reform on live television. He's invited Republicans to join Democrats for a health care discussion televised live on C-SPAN February 25th. But now, the two top Republican leaders in the House are threatening a boycott unless Democrats scrap the reform bill and start over. They admit asking for the meeting, but they say that if the starting point is the job-killing bill the American people have already soundly rejected, Republicans would be rightly reluctant to participate. Too bad. I think Americans wanted to hear some of the Republicans' ideas. When the president spoke to last month's Republican retreat, Representative Paul Ryan proposed ending the present Medicare system for people under 55 and replacing it with a voucher plan as a way to give Americans a choice.
Why not give people the same kind of health care plan we here have in Congress?
Why not? Of course, Mr. Obama kind of spoiled that moment by pointing out what happened last year when Democrats tried merely to trim a Medicare subsidy.
We were attacked across the board by many on your aisle for slashing Medicare.
You know, this is all our fault. We're the ones who elected a crew that can't agree on anything. And now it's to the point that they can't even agree to disagree on anything. They're worried about matter-antimatter explosion. They don't even want to be in the same room. Except, in a democracy, that's what we pay them to do, isn't it? Tell me, what would happen to you if you just decided, not to show up for work?
You're fired.
That's right. Something like that. This is Dave Ross, back at 9 with the Dave Ross Show on News Talk 97.3 Cairo FM.